Hello everyone, and how are you? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time being on this channel, you are welcome, and please take out the time to subscribe to the channel as this helps us to grow. Okay, don't forget to leave a like to this video. Thank you so much. So let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the best voice changer for your PC. Okay, so head over to google.com, as you can see over there, and type in that clownfish voice changer. So there are quite a lot of them. Just choose the first one, which is clownfish voice changer download. Okay, so once it comes out, choose the first one so it takes you to the website. Okay, so once you're here, you may want to take out time to go through what is written here. All right, that's okay. So, but let's go straight to downloading the app. Right, so I'll go straight to the download button, click on it. Once you click on the download button, it brings you to the next page where you would have other several buttons. Okay, now it depends on the particular PC that you're using. If your PC is 32-bit, please go for 32-bit. My PC is the 64-bit one, so I'll be going for this particular one. Okay, so this will download. It takes a few seconds to download. I'm just going to walk you through on how to download and install this particular app for your PC voice changer. Okay, once it downloads, head over to where it's downloaded. Most especially, it's going to be on your download folder. Go straight to that point and then run the installation. Just double click. So it takes a few time to get this going. All right, so this pops up as you can see here, so I'll click on the next. Okay, so this particular page comes up, so select components to install. Okay, it says create desktop shortcut and create startup and shortcut. So this is absolutely depends on you on what you want to do. Okay, so I'll just uncheck the desktop shortcut and leave it at the start menu. So I'll click on the next button. Okay, so here you can search and choose the folder where you want it to be installed. That is destination folder. Okay, so I'll go ahead to the next and then run the installation. Okay, so this pops up. It's absolutely okay. All right. It simply says, do you want to continue this operation? I'm going to type in Y in capital letter and then press the enter button. Just let it run. Okay. We are here now. It says installation complete. Setup was completed successfully. So let's go to the next button and then click on the finish. Go to the search button and type in clownfish. So that's the app over there. Click on it. So it comes out. You can access it through that point. Okay, so when you click on that section and it comes out, just go to the setup. All right, and click on the system integration. Another way you can have access to that is you go down to the taskbar, click on that button. So there's an icon there. I'm sure you can set. Now right click on that icon, hover your mouse to where you have the setup. Okay, now click on the system integration. So good. So what we want to do is to install the mic that you're using. So you can see over here, right, by default, it installed the mic that I'm using. You can see here default, it picked it up and installed. So if you're using an external microphone, you can go ahead, choose what you have, and then install it. So I'm not going to touch anything here, which is fine. So I'll click on the close. Now go back to that section, right click. That's the icon, right click on it. Now let's go to the set voice changer. Okay, so I click on the set voice changer. Now you would see that this app dialog box appears. Okay, so these are the different voice changes that you can use. Okay, so I'm just going to test a few of it, and let's see how it sounds. So I'm going to choose the baby pitch, and let's see how this sounds.
Hello everyone, do you like the baby pitch? And when you finish with it, you can go ahead and click on the clear effect.
Let's try another one, which is clown. I'll click on it. Hello everyone, do you like this one? Alright, so clear the effect. And let's try the female pitch and see how that sounds. No, I'm a female, so let's try the male pitch. So I'll click on it.
Hello everyone, do you like the male pitch? Then I'll clear the effect.
So that is how to use the Clownfish voice changer. If you ask me, I would say that this is the best voice changer app for your PC, and it's there. You can use it over and over again. Okay, you can decide to choose whichever one you want. You might probably be a male and you want to use a female pitch in creating your video. If you do like this video, please click the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next video.